Hello friends, welcome back to Sri's tutorial and I wish you all a very happy new year. In today's video, we are going to learn about cell reference in Excel. What is cell reference in Excel? And this video is mainly for the students of grade 6th and above. So let's start with the video. So here, what is cell reference actually? So in Excel, each cell is identified on a worksheet by its reference. And what is reference? The column letter, and the row number. So how will you find out the reference of this cell? Here it is showing the column H and the row number is 6. So this cell reference is H6. H6. And the column always comes first in a cell reference. So this is called H6. So this is called cell reference and it is H6. And what are the different types of cell references in Excel? So here we have three different types of cell references. So the first one is relative cell references, absolute cell references, and mixed cell references. So these are the three different types of cell references in Excel. And in today's video, we are going to learn about relative cell reference. So here, let's start. So what is relative cell reference? So here I have taken one simple example to show you what is relative cell reference with item, serial number, item name, company name, quantity, price. Now here I want to find out the total of each item. So to calculate the total for each item, we need to multiply the price. We need to multiply the price of each item with the quantity of that item. Right? So here we need to multiply the price of each item with the quantity of that item. So here in this cell, in the first item, the cell F3, right? In the cell F3, we have to give the formula. And what is the formula will be? Here, the formula will be D3 into E3. So here I will say is equal to D3 into E3. Right? So this is the total price of this item, mouse. Right? So now here you can see the address of the formula of this cell. So what is the formula for this cell? D3 into E3. Right? And now you don't need to enter the same formula for each and every cell. So what you can do? You can just either copy and paste or else you can just drag. So when you drag, you can see here, if you'll notice that the cell reference here automatically adjusts to refer to the corresponding row. Now if you see here, it is showing D4. This is 4. D4 into E4. Right? So the same formula is not copied. This is D3 into E3. But when you copy and paste or when you drag, you can see it changes. The formula gets changed. That is D4 into E4. Right? So here, if you'll notice, the cell reference automatically adjusts to refer to the corresponding row. So these cell references that adjust itself when the cell is copied or called relative cell reference. So I hope it's clear. So when you copy and paste or when you drag to copy the same formula in another cell, so these cell references that adjust itself when the cell is copied are called relative cell reference. So in simple words, you can say relative references change when a formula is copied to another cell. So relative cell reference change when a formula is copied to another cell. So this is called relative cell reference. So here you can see here when you copy, automatically the formula changes to its corresponding row. So friends, I hope it's clear. You all understood what is relative cell reference. In next video, we will learn about absolute cell reference and mixed cell reference. Thank you for watching.